Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? I am actually doing quite good. I've got the sun in my face, a beautiful view of the world outside. I've got strawberries and an iPad hiding under this camera because I was studying right before filming this. Yeah, I'm just doing good, you know? It was a good day today. It is a good day today. Today I thought I would take you guys on a little tour of my desk, since I cannot take you guys on a tour outside or a travel tour or whatever. So I guess you guys can see where I'm sitting at basically 80% of the day, because this is my sanctuary, it's my happy place. So I guess I'll share it with you guys. Don't steal it from me though. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So this is my desk. I really like the format of it. I love the shelves. That there's a top shelf, bottom shelf, and a big general area here. My iPad out of the way. I was studying just before filming this. But yeah, I normally put my iPad here. So I like this format, and let me start with this part. This part is where I normally just put, oh yeah, I sometimes make face masks in the middle of studying, and I can never finish a whole pack. So I just leave this here to finish it the next day. So I guess I should make a face mask after this video. I'll put it here. So this is basically the stuff I use normally with sticky notes and internal medicine notebook. A flowery planner that I still can't bring myself to use because it's so gorgeous. And this thing, it's a gift from my boyfriend actually. I forgot for what, I think it was for Valentine's Day or something. But he made this from scratch. Well, not the wooden part, but like he drew everything. It's amazing. I really love it. Yeah. And here's a journal from one of my close friends. Isn't it so cute? I love it. It's so pretty that I still haven't brought myself to use it, but I will be using it soon. And some Hungarian books, because I'm currently trying to improve my Hungarian. So this is my little corner, and I've also got these flashcards for learning Hungarian. Basically, they're really fun to use. This isn't a very used section, but I have a newspaper, a guide in Hungarian, that I'm currently reading to learn a bit of Hungarian. And yeah, it's about the coronavirus. Like literally almost every article here is about the coronavirus, so that's fun. And some washi tape. I got these from one of my really good friends. I really love them. Look. Aren't they so good? The only bad thing about these is that they're so pretty that I find it so hard to use them, because I always have to think about if it's worth it, blah blah blah. But yeah, my favorite one is this one. Yeah. And I've also got these. These actually came from this company called Femera, and they sent me these for sponsorship. I really love them, so I'm still using them. The company unfortunately closed, but yeah. Behind everything is a letter from my best friend Yanka, and yeah, I just left one of her letters here just as a reminder that she exists. Yeah. And here I've got an aloe vera spray. Sometimes when I'm studying, I get a little tired, so this is a perfect organic wake me up thing. Okay, so let's move on to this section of my desk. I actually made this section kind of like this for taking pictures for my Studygram. If you don't follow my Studygram, be sure to go follow it. I shall put it here. Yeah, I love using this as a backdrop for it. It's like if you take a picture like this with your notes here, it looks gorgeous. Even if you take it like this, any angle looks good. So yeah. And some metallic markers for whenever I need to make a project or just want to make something nice. And here I've got a book that I recently finished. I really love this book, you guys. It's actually one of the best books I've ever read in my life. And yeah, also it's so gorgeous. Look at it. One of my friends lent it to me and I've yet to return it. But because I can't, because you know, we are all locked up at our homes, so I'm gonna read this like 2 or 3 more times and then give it to her. Yes, I didn't know you could get buried in your own silence. The author has such a beautiful way with words and with description and putting everything together. I love it. If you guys want to read a book, read this. And it kind of fits the aesthetic of my whole desk perfectly, so I'm gonna put it back here. And this is my water bottle. It's just a plain olive green colored water bottle. Nothing too special about it, but it keeps me alive and hydrated. And this poster is actually from my school. I love it. Isn't it so pretty? It's like, it's even got a flower cloud. And like such a pretty heart. I love this. And this is a gift from one of my really, really good friends. I love her so much. She gave it to me for my birthday only a few months after we actually became friends. I love it. It's just so perfect. This was a tea book and basically it had tea in it, and it was also a birthday present. I think it was from my boyfriend to my mom. Yeah, isn't it so pretty? So yeah, this is my aesthetic picture taking corner. And yeah, basically I actually dragged this a few days ago, but I kept it because sometimes it just looks so good in the background, like of a picture. Yeah, I'm weird. And yeah, so I've got this whole huge space for just studying and taking notes and stuff. And I normally only use my iPad, so it's the perfect amount of space. And up, I've just got a map from, I think it's a vegan food and environmentally friendly market map thing. I want to go to every single one of these places, and I will once the coronavirus decides to go on a holiday to Mars, one-way trip. And yeah, here I've got some books, actually just for decoration, but yeah, I've read every single one of these. Lord of the Rings and James Harrier. These are like 2 of my favorite series. Probably recommend you guys to read if you haven't yet. And yeah, I think that's it for my desk. Oh, I've got this jar that I really don't want to open, but I will. Yeah, I regret it already. It's basically a jar of trash. I have to clean it out, guys, and I will. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. Yeah. Well, my lamp is from IKEA, and this desk is also from IKEA. So, yeah. And I'm editing on a corner with my unmade bed. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any video suggestions for me and how you are. And yeah, I will be uploading a lot more in the next few weeks because I've slowly caught up in my studies. I have so much free time and I love to make videos, so stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.